Good, beautiful evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I am. A little tired, though. I've been working for the last 8 or 9 days straight. I've lost count. Regardless, I'm not losing my resolve. We're going to get this project done as soon as we can, and I'm going to bring you guys along for it. Tonight, we are working on the stairs. I built those last night, didn't video it. I was in a hurry on my lunch break, and I got all of these boards. Problem is, these boards here need to be 1x6s, so I'm going to be swapping these out for 1x6s and fixing these up. Let's get to it.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
All right, and after about an hour, we got it finished out. It's not my best work, but it'll do. It's nice and sturdy. I'm 270 some pounds right now. No problems. Now later, we will figure out what we want to do for railing. I'm thinking just a simple 2x4 painted white to match the railing there, but we will see. So yeah, turned out pretty good. We worked on this till about 9:30, and I think it came out pretty well. It's good and sturdy. We will disconnect it from this scaffolding system here that we dreamed up. Worked pretty good. So yeah, let's take it apart. Now, because I want to dress these posts up a little bit, as you can see, they've got some random paint splotches all over them. I'm gonna hit it with this silver hammered finish. Looks really sharp. It's what I painted the caps with, and it'll make everything look nice and bright and new for a while. And there we go. See? Looks nice and bright. Looks good. And this is Rust-Oleum, so it's easily available. If I want to come back and paint this again, it's easy and it will match because it's just silver hammered finish. And now for the fun part, I've got to try and lift this. It's pretty heavy. Up with one hand, and then put a nut and a washer on the back side. So here we go. Oh man.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Looks pretty good. Now we put on the bottom bar of Unistrut. I got myself a little chair from the shop to get me down here at the right level to work on this. This is after 5 work, and I've been going really hard over the last 9 or 10 days. So if you can make the job a little easier, do it, especially when you're working as tired as I am. We've got to knock out these knockouts right here. Then we can mount the Unistrut bar, and then we can fasten it to the pipes. There's some kids over there playing, and it kind of sounds like they're being murdered, but I assure you they're okay. Let's get to work. Oh, and I got myself a cup of coffee. I feel better already. I can work another 12 hours. I didn't get a hammer, so Unistrut is now a hammer. I have to hang on to the box while I position the screwdriver with my thumb, and then I have to whack it with the Unistrut. Got it. And here we go. It really is pretty straight up and down as well. It's slightly that way a little bit, but it's not noticeable, I think. And she's solid. That baby is solid, not going anywhere. Now I just put the covers on and we wrap this project up. So this concludes the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this little update. We are one step closer to getting this house wired and ready for rent. Follow for more and feel free to subscribe if you'd like. And please like this video, it helps the channel out a lot. Goodbye.